Hey guys, at this point I'm ready to start to work with color. You might think that I've already added color, but actually the blues and reds were natural from the photographs. So honestly, I would probably, if I had more photos, have filled in a little bit more or made them a little bigger, but I'm just going to start here just to show you for the color. First I'm going to come down to this icon and I'm going to select gradient. Choose how you'd like your gradient to go. Do you want two colors, multiple colors? I'm going to start with this, and then I'm going to select my own colors here. So I'm going to double click on this guy, and I really wanted blue to red with purple in between, so I'm going to select, I really like this blue. That's going to be my start. I want this to be red. So here, oh, that's more pink. Grab this red. And then in between, I want some purple. Double click on this guy. There we go. I want a lighter purple. Okay. So this is what my overlay is going to look like. I'm good with that. I'm okay with all of this. Right now it's linear style. You can choose it to be round or different patterns, but I really like just the linear look. And okay. All right, so now you can see that this layer is on the top. It's covering all these other layers, so I need to choose a blend mode so that it can blend with the other layers and show them through. So you can experiment with the different blend modes. Overlay and hue work well. There's my overlay. Hue, see how that looks different. Hue kind of brought a little bit more of the red. This I'm not liking. I really just want to add the color to the light in the light painting and not the black, so that doesn't really work well. Not that either, because I do want, like I said, that black background. So experiment with others. Just remember though, background should stay black, and we want to inject the overlay in the light painting areas. So none of these are really going to work. Nope. I think I liked hue best. Okay, then I'm good to go.